Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So in this video, I want to talk about Warrior Plus. Now, I get a lot of traffic and tools that I use on this platform. And guys, if you're looking to make a full-time income using Warrior Plus, here are some great tools that I highly recommend. Now, personally, Warrior Plus for me is something that goes on in the background, but nevertheless, I've been able to earn well over $1,000 a month, even $2,000 in some months. I've been able to earn with this platform, and it just functions in the background. Now, if I wanted to, I could really crank things up, and if I put in, say, 1 to 2 hours a day promoting good products on from Warrior Plus, I could easily build that up to $4,000 or $5,000 a month plus with this platform alone, really without doing very much at all. In fact, very little work. And I'm going to share with you what I combine it with other tools that I use, such as Laziest, just to make this really simple, okay, including free tools as well. So Warrior Plus has allowed me to earn a lot of money, just by having it available to me, because I get a lot of traffic on this platform, and I promote these traffic sources because they're great traffic sources. Now, my main focus obviously is Live Good, and I've got a lot going on with Live Good, so I'm very busy with that. However, for those of you who could use something like this could really build you up to easily $2,000 a month plus, simply by using this platform with putting in very little work and effort. Okay, so let's have a look. So basically, Warrior Plus gives me commissions almost on a daily basis, every single day, almost. Okay, so as you can see, yesterday I got a bunch of commissions coming in yesterday, and as you can see, almost on a daily basis, as we go down here, you got a nice commission there. I got a bunch of commissions coming in within 1 day, and almost every single day, you can see I can get commissions coming in, and some of them are quite decent commissions. And I can go down and show you all this. It'll take ages, but I get a lot of commissions coming in almost on a daily basis with this, as you can see. So I get those email alerts. Now let's have a look at the Warrior Plus platform. So Warrior Plus has been around for decades. For the early 2000s. I mean, it's been around. It's a similar platform to ClickBank or JVZoo, and all the rest of them, Commission Junction and so on. So this platform they have vendors on this platform that sell their products, and you have the eligibility to promote their products and get commissions. They're digital products. Okay, so you can expect to get decent commissions by promoting a relatively affordable product. Okay, I tend to focus mostly on traffic and advertising related type products, because I use those products to build my primary businesses such as Live Good. But let's have a look at my wallet. Okay, so as you can see, I've currently got over $1,000. Okay, $1,376 that I could just literally withdraw right now. All I have to do is click this button and stick in what I want to put in there, such as $1,376 if I want to, and then just click the button there, and it'll go straight to my bank. But I'm not going to, because I want to wait just a little bit for the pending commissions to come in. I mean, I'm always getting new commissions coming in, but I want to top that up, because the last, I mean, I'll go through the other stuff, but basically, guys, I'm getting a lot of commissions, pretty much all the time. So if I look at the withdrawals and I go to okay, for example, this year, let's look at this year. So as you can see, that was failed because I set up the wrong. I didn't want to use Payoneer. I wanted to use my bank account. So basically, it's really simple. I was able to set up my bank account. So my last withdrawal was this month. Okay, on the when was it? On the 7th of May. Okay, this month. So I'm not really ready to withdraw just yet. I also had okay, so my withdrawal before that was on the month before that. Okay, and I had 2 withdrawals on that month. So I had a good month there. Well over $2,000 I withdrew in April, and in March, well over $2,000 in March. So I've been pretty focused on my other primary businesses, but guys, you could easily build this up to a couple of $1,000s a month by putting in relatively little work in or little effort in and have this going. But guys, as I say, I mostly focus on the advertising type and traffic related type products. That's what I want to promote because I use those products myself. And these products here, the Easy Cash system, the click engine, the wholesale premium traffic. The wholesale premium traffic is my favorite. Okay. Wholesale premium traffic is my favorite. This is the one that I use a lot, okay, as a product, and also with regards to commissions as well. I get a lot of commissions through that. My team also agree with me that this wholesale premium traffic is a great platform. I get a lot of people who repeat orders, okay. People come back and order this through my link, and I really appreciate them. So, that just proves that, people are not going to repeat, purchase this traffic if it wasn't very good. And so this traffic has been very, very good for me. Scalable solo ads, great traffic. Yeah, all very good. So these two are my favorite. Okay, these two are my favorite. The Easy Cash system is a good training. The Easy Traffic Blueprint. This is a good training system. Okay, I like this training system for if you want to learn how to advertise your businesses. This is by a good friend of mine, Amid. Okay, and he put this together. It's a great tool there. So guys. So combining that with my other tools, such as Leads Leap. Okay, this is a platform that I've earned over $10,000 with. As you can see, my commissions to date over $10,000 with this platform, and I'm earning pretty much on a daily basis. I've withdrawn, because when we get the commissions, you have to wait 2 months because they're impending. Just in case there are people who maybe do a chargeback or something like that or whatever, but it doesn't usually happen. But the platform has a kind of a 2 month pending. So I've personally withdrawn over $7,000, almost $8,000 to my bank account with this platform. It's a great platform to use. This is what I set up this is how I set up my funnels. My funnels get set up. This is a funnel that I created on the platform. Okay, so you can use this, and it's got the share code below. So you can use this share code, so you can get that tool there. Even as a free member, you can use this funnel. I mean this page. Okay, but the pro membership is very, very affordable, and I can't tell you how much it costs because I was grandfathered in or for a different price or whatever. But they do change it from time to time. Okay, but whatever the price is, it's very, very affordable. Okay. So you can go to your profile settings, and as a free member, you'll be able to see where it says upgrade. You'll be able to see the comparison chart and see what you get. The biggest thing for me is being able to automate my funnels, okay? Because you have a built-in autoresponder system that's very, very deliverable. You get all your emails into the inbox of your leads. So it's very good like that. I like it. I think it's a fabulous platform, very affordable, and you're not you could have whatever size list you build up to, this platform will house it. So if you have 10,000 leads on your mailing list, it's fine, or whatever, or more. So you don't get charged more, no matter how big your mailing list is. Okay, so that's good. Now the other, get onto these tools here. Okay, but also get into Leads Leap. Okay, and start using Leads Leap. Okay, you'll be able to get the share code, and you can get in touch with me on Telegram. Okay, so you'll be able to join, all the necessary platforms. I'll put the link as well below this video. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching, guys.